Your logo through Tailor brands online for free without paying any single penny. I'm repeating. Today I'm going to teach you on how to create or design a logo through Tailor brands online without paying any single penny. Namna ya kutengeneza logo mtandaoni bila kulipa hata shilingi. Twende kazi. Kwa hiyo hapa ndio sehemu ambayo unaweka jina lako. Pesa za YouTube. So now it's loading, and the option will be just popping up. So we are waiting for the options. Example, is it coffee shop? My industry is education, because this account will be for teaching people. Tell us more about what you do. What we can create better designs for you. Teaching, yani kuwafundisha. Content creators wanaotengeneza content on YouTube. Lengo ni kuwafundisha wanaotengeneza content za YouTube. Tutataka name based, tutataka kwanza icon based kwamba ile iwe kama icon ya logo, au tutataka name based yani jina ndio litawale ionekane kama pesa, au tutataka initial based as a main element of the design kwamba ile neno la kwanza ndio liwe kubwa. Sasa tunachagua. Let's say tunataka jina lionekane. So we are going to choose name based. Kuna option B, mwandiko huu na mwandiko huu. Tungependa mwandiko huu. Tungependa pia mchanganyiko huu. Tungependa mchanganyiko huu. Tungependa mchanganyiko huu. Na hapa tungependa mchanganyiko huu. Hapa tungependa mchanganyiko huu. Na hapa tungependa mchanganyiko huu, of course. Hapa tungependa mchanganyiko huu pia. Kwa hiyo logo yetu inakuwa processed. So our logo is in process. So we are waiting for it. You know, I'm going to teach you the technique of taking your logo from Tailor brands without their concept, without them agreeing you to take it or not. So let's go direct. Let's enter to Google account. Oh, this is a YouTube. So we have the list of options here. We have this. Have a lot. What's your suggestion? But for me, I'm going to choose. Wow. I'm in a little bit nervous. I don't know what to choose, but for the sake of time, let me choose maybe this one. For me, this one seems like small swaggy. Love it. Oh, do you see now? There you go. Is they are showing you some options. Mona, wanakuonyesha option mbalimbali. So tukisema download hatuwezi. Inabidi hapa turudi nyuma tu moja. Na huu ndio mzigo. So mbinu ukiwa kwenye Opera ni rahisi. Ndio hapo wengine huitwa screenshot. So tunafanya snapshot. Unaona? Hapa ndipo tunapowashinda ujanja. Here is where we can beat this Tailor brand thing. So we are going to take our logo as we like it. So we are going to capture. Wow. From here, this is our logo now. Tailor brand, they failed to not submit it to us. So I'm not here just to challenge you, but I'm here to show people on how to create a logo from this beautiful site, Tailor brand site, and take it, even if you without paying it. Maybe if you submit, maybe they have some reason. If you submit and you pay, you will get it in a variety of ways. But remember, this logo is only for YouTube account, so this is enough. So let's see it. Save. Tunasema logo dot pesa za YouTube. Here we are. So we are done. So people, this is how you can create a logo and how you can take your logo from Tailor Brands without paying any single penny. Thank you for now. I would like to welcome you for the other lessons. For more lessons, for more knowledge, you just click subscription button there. This is Moja Zaidi together with Space of YouTube on YouTube. The network here is Moja Zaidi. The channel that is managed within the network is Space of YouTube. So this is Moja Zaidi things and Space of YouTube things. But the master here is Moja Zaidi. And the video is for Creative Commons. Everybody can use it. I'm saying it and I'm going to put it on YouTube. License that Creative Commons.